Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I work hard for the Doge family. I'm glad. We will grow Dogecoin together. What I say in my graphic predictions are always correct, friends. I hope it will be useful for you. I will determine the trading points for those who want to trade short. And today I will tell you the important developments. Vitalik Buterin suggests Dogecoin to move to proof of stake using Ethereum code. The world's second largest cryptocurrency Ethereum has entered a major rally, leading the bull run in the altcoin space. Just at this time, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin triggered a discussion on Twitter, replying to questions from the 268 people whom he follows. In one of the responses to a possible Ethereum-Dogecoin cooperation, Buterin said that the meme cryptocurrency blockchain should shift to the proof-of-stake consensus model. Zhu Su, the founder of Singapore-based crypto fund manager Three Arrows Capital, asked Buterin about the promising ideas for ETH-Doge cooperation. What was it about Doge that got you interested in the project? He further asked. Responding to it, Buterin wrote, "Personally, I hope that Doge can switch to POS soon, perhaps using Ethereum code. I also hope they don't cancel the 5B per year annual POW issuance, instead they put it in some kind of DAO that funds global public goods. Would fit well with Dogecoin's non-greedy wholesome ethos." The non-profit Dogecoin Foundation announced a relaunch last month. The advisory board also welcomed some of the top industry players like billionaire Elon Musk and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. The Ethereum market rally. The world's second largest cryptocurrency Ethereum is making solid moves in the current market bull run. In the last 24 hours, the Ethereum is up 8%, moving closer to $3,800 levels. Over the last week, Ethereum has registered a solid 20% gain. On-chain data provider Santiment reports that it is for the first time since mid-May that the ETH price has moved past $3,500 levels. Besides, the ETH accumulation among non-exchange whales has spiked up recently. It's been a bullish start to the day. Avoiding a return to sub-30 cents levels would bring 33 cents levels into play. Dogecoin rallied by 5.85% on Wednesday. Following a 2.39% gain on Tuesday, Dogecoin ended the day at $0.2947. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning intraday low $0.2730 before making a move. Steering clear of the first major support level at $0.2701, Dogecoin rallied to a final hour intraday high $0.2959. Dogecoin broke through the first major resistance level at $0.2863 and the second major resistance level at $0.2943 to end the day at $0.2947 levels. At the time of video, Dogecoin was up by 4.64% to $0.3084. A bullish start to the day saw Dogecoin rise from an early morning low $0.2919 to a high $0.3084. Dogecoin broke through the 23.6% fib of $0.3016 and the first major resistance level at $0.3027 early on. For the day ahead, Dogecoin was down by 1.15% to $0.2752. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning high $0.2796 before falling to a low $0.2751. Dogecoin was what first made 33-year-old Glauber Contessoto a millionaire. Contessoto had first shared his story of how he became a millionaire with the meme coin back in April. This had only been 2 months after Contessoto had first learned about Doge. He ended up putting his entire life savings into the meme coin. And it paid off massively. The Dogecoin millionaire had first started investing in the coin after he saw Elon Musk's tweets about it. Contessoto is quoted saying, "A reason why I put my savings into Dogecoin is Elon Musk. I think the guy is a genius." Musk then continued to tweet about the coin at regulatory intervals over the next 2 months, causing the price of Dogecoin to skyrocket. At the height of Musk's shilling of Dogecoin, the price of the coin had grown over 21,000%, posting massive gains in just a couple of months. Refusing to sell Dogecoin has grown so much that by the time May rolled around, the coin price hit over 70 cents. By this point, Contessoto's gains had grown so much that he had become a crypto millionaire. His initial investment of over $250,000 had gotten to be over $1 million. Doge soon began to lose momentum, as assets are wont to do when they have grown too much in a short period of time. Despite the declining prices with each passing day, Contesoto had refused to sell his coins. By June, the price had dropped so much that Contesoto lost his crypto millionaire status. The 33-year-old had still refused to sell at this point. Despite revealing that he had lost over $167,000 in a single day due to declining prices. Contesoto did not seem too worried about this, saying, "If Bitcoin and Ethereum weren't also hit, I'd be worried." As such, Contesoto continues his journey from being a crypto millionaire to losing this status. Dogecoin would need to avoid a fall back through the first major resistance level at $0.3027 to bring the second major resistance level at $0.3108 into play. Support from the broader market. Tell me your thoughts by commenting, guys. Would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break back through to 31 cents levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the second major resistance level would likely cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at 32 cents levels before any pullback. The third major resistance level sits at $0.3337. A fall back through the first major resistance level and 23.6% fib of $0.3016 would bring sub-29 cents levels into play. Barring a fall through the $0.2879, however, Dogecoin should avoid the first major support level at $0.2798. Dallas Mavericks announce rewards for using Dogecoin to buy merch. The team was the first in the league to accept Dogecoin payments for both merchandise and ticket sales. Now, Cuban wants to further grow the number of sales from Doge by adding incentives to the program. The Mavs Cryptomania program gives fans cashback for purchases made with Dogecoin on the official Mavericks online merchandise shop. The program will run from August 13th until September 20th. Fans can earn a $25 e-gift card when using Dogecoin to spend a minimum of $150 in a single transaction. The gift card will then be mailed to the buyer within a week and can only be used at the Dallas Mavericks online store. Purchases can include merchandise at the store and tickets for suites and lower-level seats at any Mavericks home game. Not long after announcing the reward program, Cuban tweeted that the Mavericks had completed more than 20,000 Dogecoin transactions to date. In response to the news, Dogecoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto tweeted that, "If you want to support one of the first big-name vendors to evangelize Doge for purchases, as at M. Cuban says, it's ready for you." Despite support, Cuban has not invested much in Doge. Cuban, who co-hosts Shark Tank along with owning the Mavericks, has been a vocal supporter of cryptocurrency on social media for quite some time. Doge is one of Cuban's favorite topics on Twitter to discuss, and he has even been accused of influencing the market via his posts. This makes a recent announcement by Cuban all the more confusing to many. When discussing the total sales of merchandise at the Mavericks store via Doge, Cuban said that he owned less than $500 worth of the meme coin. He added that the Mavericks as a team had sold less than $15,000 in merchandise via Doge sales, perhaps a reason for the new cash back program. The news came out when Cuban was asked if he owns more Doge than BTC. His response was, "The Mavs have what we sold in merch. I personally own $494 worth of Doge."